In JavaScript, we can define an array with different types of values. But in TypeScript, the entire array has to be the same type. To annotate it, we specify the type, followed by a pair of square brackets. Of course, now we'll get an error with the string, so let's fix it. But what if we need an array of different types? For that, we use tuples. A tuple is a fixed-length array where each element has its own type. And because it's an array, we still use the square brackets, but this time we specify the types inside it. Let's say we want our user to have an ID and a name. We'll do a number for the user ID and a string for the name. Then of course, the values have to match the types in those indices. It's important to note that tuples have a fixed length, so if we add a third value, we'll get an error that says the tuple only allows 2 elements. So we can't initialize a tuple with more values than we defined in the annotation. But a tuple is just going to compile down to a regular JavaScript array. That means we can do users.push to add another value and the compiler won't raise an error. Hopefully this will be fixed in the future, but for now, just be careful when working with tuples.